While the focus of the conceptual review is more on the definitions and bringing out clarity in the conceptual understanding, the theoretical review is also a theory-based review, but it focuses on analyzing, comparing and advancing the theories, and it does not involve quantitative research or quantitative aspects or quantitative reviews, but it tries to examine what are theories are already there, and it is more procedural in nature, or it tries to understand the procedures, methods, and the way a particular theoretical concept can be explained, and the focus is not purely on the definition but on the overall aspects of the theoretical aspects of a particular concept. For example, if we want to understand the theories of motivation in the workplace performance, then we will try to understand what all major theories are already existing and how they explain the employee motivation, then what are the strengths and limitations of each of those theories, and whether we can integrate and refine these theories to form a new type of a theoretical definition. This is what is performed in the theoretical review. Now let us compare the four theoretical type of methods that we have understood. Integrative, as we know, qualitative and quantitative, both type of empirical studies are combined in this one. Then in state of the art, we focus on the latest development. In conceptual, we try to refine the ideas and definitions, whereas in theoretical, we compare and advance the theories behind a particular concept. I hope this video is helpful to you. Thank you very much for watching.